Temple University is a top-tier research university with an enrollment of approximately 35,000 students based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, in the United States. Prior to 2020, an increasing number of students had been coming to campus using laptops as part of their daily routine. The pandemic hastened that trend as students wanted to use laptops in places they felt most comfortable. At this same time, new construction projects emerged focusing on flexibility to change furniture configurations. To maximize that flexibility and minimize cost, fixed Ethernet and power would need to be reduced. The laptop share and battery share kiosks became the no-cost solution to students and affiliates to conveniently access technology and power when they wanted it and where they wanted it. We faced several challenges. We needed to provide technology and power that would complement the flexible design of these new spaces and that was convenient for students to use. We had to have technology ready for students who could not afford their own laptops or did not bring their own laptops to campus out of safety concerns or they wanted to reduce the weight of their backpacks. We had students bringing their own technology and who needed to power their devices. We were in the middle of a pandemic where students needed to study and find spaces at safe distances from one another. Finally, we needed an automated solution that we could distribute in buildings across campus to make it as accessible as possible so if a device was borrowed in one location, it could be brought to another and returned there. We partnered with our library and with LaptopsAnytime to create Laptop Share and Battery Share. The kiosks are wireless and can be moved to where they will be most helpful. The system is tied to the library's ILS system, and loaned devices are treated as if they are borrowed from the library. Students can borrow a laptop and/or a battery from one kiosk and return it to another kiosk in the same building or a different building, wherever is most convenient. They can bring the device to where they want or need to use it, to a class, a breakout room, cafe, or outdoors. The laptops have over 50 applications and can access our virtual lab with more software. They can also print to any student printing station. During the height of the pandemic, our service improvements included customized programming from LaptopsAnytime that made it possible for staff to sanitize laptops in between uses. We also increased our device monitoring, making sure adequate numbers of devices were in each kiosk, and wrapped up our battery health testing, replacing devices as needed. Some departments used the pandemic to move forward on a hybrid work plans, consolidating offices and opening up their former office space as classrooms or offices for other departments. To help provide technology in this hybrid environment, in August 2021, we set up a staff-based laptop kiosk, reducing the need to purchase fixed equipment and the need for hybrid staff to bring their own equipment in when they are on site. With Laptop Share and Battery Share, BYOD means borrow your own device. In 2021, there were 7,200 laptop loans that students used for studying, in-person and virtual classes, papers, and collaborating with others. There were over 14,000 battery loans, where batteries were used not just in the library, but throughout campus. The 2021 data helped with the decision to consolidate a 100-plus seat computer lab that now has a laptop share kiosk near the old entrance and a 37-seat computer classroom that also has a laptop share kiosk around the corner for students who need to use it. This will save the university future costs of computer replacements and the accompanying Ethernet and power. Today, there are 22 kiosks in 8 buildings on 2 campuses, and it will expand further in the next year. Thank you for your attention, and thank you to Gartner for giving us the opportunity to tell our story.